Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our 12.3-inch Android screen that we installed in a 2016 Lexus ES. Right now our line for most of the Lexuses in the market is ready, and this is the latest one for Lexus ES. This was a high trim. You can see how the screen looks like. We're gonna show you the photo before installation, how was the screen look like. And this one, as I said, it's high trim, come with the joystick controller, and it came with navigation, factory navigation, and factory backup camera. So the unit retains all those, and technically you can use radio or whatever you want. There is no issues whatsoever. When you want to use the Android screen, to get the sound from the Android screen, you go to media and you select auxiliary input as the source, and then by touching the screen it goes to aftermarket mode. You can see there is like a dot that it follows the joystick, so it's really easy to track the joystick, which is very hard to even use it for original one, but with this dot you can follow it easily. You can go back to original menu by tabbing on the joystick. So if I tab on original, it goes to original mode, and if I touch the screen it goes back to the aftermarket mode. On right hand side you see the information for the AC and the climate control, and you can do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Both of them are wireless. That's the wireless Apple CarPlay. You can use the touch screen, or you can use, as I said, the joystick, but the touch is the easiest way to use. And you can watch videos, full screen, or you can download any apps that you like from Play Store. Also, the backup camera works from aftermarket mode too, so no need to go to original to see the backup camera. It works on original screen, original mode, or aftermarket mode. And yeah, these are main options for this screen. And again, you can go here and you can download any apps you want from Google Store. There is like a DSP here too, with some presets, or you can use the custom. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Also, you can see right now the temperature. You can change it to imperial to Fahrenheit too if you want. So if you're down in States, you can change it to Fahrenheit as well. Thank you and have a great day.